Hello. So let's learn how to register online. So what we'll do is we'll start at just a normal web page. So this is just Google. And first we need to go to the Edmonds Community College webpage. So I'll type www.edcc.edu. Then I will click enter. Now that I'm here, what I want to do is I want to find the word enroll, which is right here. So I'll click on enroll. Now I have this menu. Now what I need to do is click on class schedule. So I'll click here. Now I'm on a new page. It says class schedule at the top. Now over on the right side of the page, you'll see that there's these words here. What I want to do is find register online and click on that. So I'll click right here, register online. Aha! So now I am at the registration login. Now that I'm here, what I need to do is put in my student number and my PIN, my personal identification number. Now that is going to be my birth date, so the day that I was born. So I'll write my number, 955263553. Now I'll put my PIN in here. Now here it says select quarter. You definitely want to select winter 2020 or spring 2020. So spring 2020 is here. Now what I'm going to do is click register. So now it says my name. It says continue to spring quarter registration and continue. Now I want to continue, so I will press this. Now, when you do it, you will, after you click continue there, you will probably see these pages here. So here it says the state of Washington uses the responses to the following questions to measure the progress of students towards stated goals and to improve services. So this right here is, what is your main long-term goal for attending this college? Take courses related to current or future work, transfer to a four-year college, high school diploma or GED, explore career direction, personal enrichment, that means I want English for my own life, or other. You can click any of these here. Now these are questions about sexual orientation and gender identity. You are more than welcome to click prefer not to answer and prefer not to answer, and then click continue. When you click continue, you will see this page right here. Now this is the part where you will register for classes. Now to register for classes, what you need to do is type what are called item numbers in these boxes here. Now your teacher will send you the item numbers for the classes that you will register for next quarter. Now right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to register for level 1, I'm going to register for a lab, and then I will register for a bus pass just to show you an example of how it goes. So I'll click here. Now the item number for level 1 is this number here, 3352. Now that's my level 1 class. Now let's say I want a lab. So I'm going to click here, and I'll click here for the lab, 3616. Now that's my lab. Next, I'm going to sign up for a bus pass. Now if I already have a bus pass, what I'm going to do is mark OC, I'm going to mark QBP4. QBP4. If I do not have a bus pass, what I will do is I will write ORC4. So, if you have a bus pass already, you want to mark QBP4. If you don't have a bus pass yet, but you want one, you'll mark ORC4. Now that I'm done, what I'm going to do is I'll click Submit, Add Drop. So I'll click there. Ta-da! Okay, so now I have my schedule. Now here it says that course ESL 009, permission is required to register for this class. Now normally your classes will show up on this schedule here. When you register, you will have permission to register for the class, so it will show up here on your schedule. But as you can see, here I have my lab, here I have my bus pass, and that's $26 extra. Now, if what I want to do is finish, so I'll go down to the bottom and click Finish. Now, if I'd like to pay, all I need to do is click here on Web Credit Card Payment. Then I type in my student number again, and my PIN number again. Now it says select quarter. I want spring of 2020. Get charges. Then, so here's my payment amount. Now I just fill in my information and click charge my credit card. After that, I will be done. So this is the way that you can register online. Good luck!